Walked down the river a bit, came up to that area that is, whoa, hello. Alright, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Doing a little hike here on a dreary morning. I am at the Mast Road Natural Area. I'm going to do some exploring of this place. There's some natural features, there's some historical features. So it should be a good hike. Let's check it out. Well, we've come up to a beaver dam. There's some water trickling through it. And on the other side of the beaver dam, you have a beautiful view of a black gum swamp. This is the Black Gum Trail, and here is the swamp. Very nice. Alright, so we are now on the old Piggery Trail. This trail used to be a road that serviced a large pig farm, a very large pig farm that was nearby. So we're now walking down this old service road. So we'll keep checking it out. And we have come up to the remnants of that old pig farm. You can see the stone foundation still standing. And here is another look out at some of the concrete remnants of the farm. Looks like a hunting blind or something out there. Now this area is on private property, posted no trespassing, so we cannot get in there and really explore the area. This is as close as we can get here on the public property. But it's very interesting. But this camera has a good zoom. Very interesting. A little bit of history here along the trail. And we have come up to a beautiful view, very serene view of the Lamprey River. You can see it flowing down that way. Very nice. Here in the early spring, as the trees are just starting to wake back up from their winter hibernation. Little baby leaves on the trees. There they are. Just starting to come in now. I walked down the river a bit, came up to that area that is, whoa, hello. Duck just came splashing down. Beautiful duck. It's my favorite bird right there. Alright, so, anyway, I walked down the river a bit, there goes the ripples from the duck, to the area where the river is flowing. Very nice. This is a beautiful spot right here. It continues flowing down that way. That duck is still honking. Oh, there he goes. Alright, back to the trail. That was a nice surprise. Well, this is a very interesting section of forest. Look at those trees. Wow. Especially with the brand new green foliage. This is a interesting look in here. Wow. Trees, they're covered in looks like they're all covered in moss. That's why the bark is so green. It's really cool. Alright, and we have hiked our way into some nice towering old growth pines. Very nice. Alright, and here's a nice, spot. I have no idea what I wanted to say about this spot. It's a nice spot, Interesting. There it is. Very nice. Very nice spot. So we're going to keep on going down the trail. I was going to call it a field, but I guess it's not much of a field. Oh boy. Alright. Anyway. What in the world happened to this tree? Hello, turkey. Looks like it was struck by lightning or something. Yikes, you can see some splintering going off in all sorts of directions. Wow. I wonder if it was hit by lightning. It's a giant spear now sticking out of the ground. Alright, well, I have come back out to this view of the Black Gum Swamp, which means that this hiking adventure is just about over. So, we saw the nature, we saw the history, we saw a duck. So that was a really nice hike. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for watching.